empty corner in my house, so I decided to fill it with a fancy mummy. I used trash bags, duct tape, a willing sole, creepy cloth, my collection of old used shopping bags, and a questionable mannequin head I found under the stairs. I started off by making holes in the trash bag for the heads and arms. Once my little was snug as a bug, I wrapped her up in duct tape. I recommend you tape around at least twice to make sure the mummy cavity is strong enough to keep its shape when you stuff it. You know you're finished when you're looking like a background from Game of Thrones, King of the North! Here's the tricky part. After what seems like an eternity, I finally got the little to trust me enough to cut her out. Being careful to place my finger along the blade, I was able to free her from her gray shell with no mishaps. And after cutting her out, I wrapped her legs and repeated the process. Here you can see I have stuffed the legs with old shopping bags and empty plastic drink bottles. It's easier to fill up the legs cavity before attaching it to the torso. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Now add the torso to the legs and tape them together. See what I mean about that creepy mannequin head? And then I measured out the arm lengths for my mummy. I used 2 pool noodles for this. And then I took my pool noodles and I wrapped them up with more shopping bags and tape. Bending them at the elbow and taping them down. This is what we have so far of the mummy. And she is stuffed shopping bags. Once the body is finished, then you can tape the head to it. I use this air drying clay to form my crown. She's now all wrapped up in the creepy cloth, and I stapled it to the body. I tried hot gluing it at first, but I found that the glue was showing through the creepy cloth. So right now, you can see where it's just kind of placed on there, and you can see all of the tape underneath, like a little t-shirt. And right here, if you look closely, you can see the staples all the way down. Staple there. Keep going. And I added a 2x4 to her back to help her stand upright. And voila, here's the reveal.